Hey guys, this is Adrian with Crypto 5G. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. August 11th, 2023. So, happy Friday to you all. Good morning. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and enjoy your paychecks, guys. A lot of you guys getting paid today. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I thank you guys for watching. Disclosure: I am not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just showing my journey in crypto, guys. So don't invest more than you can afford to lose. All right, guys, this is my exchange, Bing X. Look at Bitcoin, 29,336. Oh yeah, baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. I wanted to stay under 29,350 and just range from 350. I called it 2,900. So hopefully it stays on the highs 28s to the 350 and that range. I like that range. And man, cuz we had a pump a few days ago, you know? We had a pump. Let me see if I can show it here. See this here? Boom. We jumped. It pumped. It pumped all the way to 30,000. And I did shorts all the way from 30,000, guys. And look now, it's coming down. This is a 1 minute chart. If you see my trade history, look, today's the 11th. I just closed one for a 10% gain. I only closed one yesterday. Yesterday was just a ranging. It was just in a range, and it did it in a tight range. They didn't want to get out of that range. But today, just a few minutes ago, it closed for 10%, and then the ninth. Well, I had a few on the ninth. Look at this one that I had. This is all my trades are 10%, and I usually just do one, either long or one short, and I try to write it as much as I could. My stop loss, I had it like at 100 points, and I probably should have had it more because we're at 29,333. This one closed at 29,600. I could have wrote it down another 300, 250, but it is what it is. But I'd still make 25%. Look, 25.49%. That's my biggest trade, guys. I wanted to see if I could go to 100%. I probably could have if I didn't have that tight range. So look, this is where it is. It's trying to pump. I wanted to stay under 350, and the weekend's coming. The weekends are normally kind of slow sometimes. Sometimes we get a pump. Sometimes we get a dump. The volume already came down. It was about 600, 700. It jumped all the way to like 900 million per day. Amazing. And I have still a few shorts here. But see, this already turned green. One of them closed. This one, hopefully, these close today. Hopefully. That's what I'm thinking. And I have just one long. This I bought pretty expensive. Um, but I don't know. I might close it or I might leave it. I'm trying to see what happens here. But yeah, so far so good. My trades have been good. I'm just perfecting my trading style and what I like to do, what I don't like to do. And I figured for me, as of today, I like scalping. I like being in and out of the market. But now I have had few trades open for 1 or 2 days, which is fine. Um, but I like more scalping. But look, if it drops under under this here, what's 250? Oh, it already dropped. Yeah, no, my bad. I was gonna say if it drops under 300, there's gonna be a lot of liquidity there. So it dropped and it took a lot of liquidity and a lot of longs came in here. But we'll see. We'll see. Look, I like it. I like what it's doing. Let me look at my 15-minute chart. See, I wanted to stay under this red line. which is 29,350. That's something that I like there. So and it's under that. So my next one would be here, 29,250. So like 100 points, and in reality it'll be from three. What I like is 29,350 all the way to 29. So if it goes there, I'll be ranging that if it stays ranging, from 29,000 to 29,350. I'll just be going up and down, making profits up and down, up and down. If not, I want to see where it settles. What range, and I'll go from there. But it looks like it's gonna happen. If I look at my daily, this is my one day. So every candle equals one day. So look, the last 3 days it went down. Then yesterday it came down. 2 days coming down. So it has a down. It has a lower, like it's going lower, right? And this is my trend line right here. My trend line. So hopefully it stays within these two. Hopefully it hits here, which is 29,000, and it just rebounds. But sometimes it goes a little bit lower, which is fine. We just make more profit. Um, so yeah, guys, this is Bing X. I like the exchange. I like that I could get in and out. You could do 10 leverage, 20x. I've done 100x, and I like it. You get your profits super fast, but you could always get your losses super fast too. But with the 20x, I feel so comfortable with that. It's just great, and I just automatically put a 10% take profit. I use a $10 margin. This is what I have in my account, 622. I had some. I started with 1,000, and I took 400 out and I put it somewhere else, but I should have left it. So I'm gonna make another deposit of 400, so I could just have 1,000, and that way every trade would be 1% of my account. So I'm gonna be trading 1%, 2%. My goal is to trade anywhere from 1 to 5% of my account. So I think I'm just gonna wait until the 25th of this month, so I could get like 30 days in, because I started trading last month. So on the 25th of July. So once I get to 30 days, I'll just check to see how my numbers are, and if they look good, I'm gonna be doing everything exactly the same. All I'm gonna do is just gonna double my margin to just 20 USDT. So so we'll go from there. We'll go from there. And sometimes I put a stop loss, sometimes I don't. My risk is kind of low with 10 USDT, so I don't really use a stop loss on this amount, because if I would, it would be a 20% stop loss. If I use 20% stop loss. Sometimes I even use 50%. Why? Because it's not a lot of money, and I wanna let it move. If it goes against me, I wanna let it move, and I want to track it. I want to see what it does. If I lose, well, I lose, but I'm learning. So I like what I do. Um, you could also short it. Okay, you could also short it. You could also put a trigger. You could put a trigger price if you guys want to trade. Because basically, I'm doing these videos because I'm registered with BingX as a copy trader. Yeah, so I'm registered with BingX as a copy trader. So you could use my referral link if you like my trades, if you like the profits that I'm doing. I'm trying to aim for minimum 30% a month. Minimum. I know I could do more because I'm doing 10% a trade. So three three trades would be 30%. Just this one, look, I got 25.49%. It is amazing, amazing. But eventually I'm gonna do scalping, and I'm always gonna look for this one here. So I'm gonna look, kind of look at my numbers, look at my resistance, my supports, just look where everything's at, and when I feel comfortable, I'm gonna take a longer time frame trade where I could make 25, 30, 50, 100%, maybe even more. Why not? So, anyways, guys, this is what I'm doing with Bing X. I like it. I like what it's doing, that it's staying under 350. Okay. So, let me get my Bing X. See if you go here, order take profit. See, I have it automatically set. So at 9:44, you have a BTC 20x position that triggered a take profit at this level. So when it hit this level, boom, give me a 10% gain. The feed. So I got a few likes. So all you have to do is look at me, follow me here at Crypto 5G, and then you could see all my stats and ask me questions, have a conversation or whatever. Um, and something super important that I always share. Oh yeah, I like this. Look at this, guys. I started this account with be with the account being at 100% um, negative, at 100%. Why? Because when I registered as a trader, I already had copy traders and I had grid trading bots working for me. So some made money, some lost. Some I had it on the standard futures, others in perpetuals. So what happened was when I started, when they accepted me as a copy trader, I like trading on the standard futures because if I'm going to risk, let's say, $10 a trade or $100 a trade or $1,000 a trade, that's all I want to risk. And in perpetuals, it could go over. If I have a $10 trade, it could, if it goes to $11 loss, $15, 20, it could just keep going as long as you have money in the account. And I don't want to risk that, you know. Um, so if you go here to perpetuals, I could trade this one too, but I don't like it, and it's at zero. Look, everything is at zero. But when I started on this one and I try to contact customer support, well, not I tried, I did. I was talking with them so they could to see if they could somehow refresh this one here, but they said no because I had already copy traders and grid trading and everything. All the numbers stay there, and if I withdrew money or whatever, so I'm like, oh, that's a bummer. So I started at 100. So in my first video, I let you guys know, and I've been always letting you guys know about that number. Because if I would see these numbers, man, I wouldn't follow this trader. I wouldn't follow myself. So I told everybody this is at 100%. The first video I did, and most of the videos I let you guys know. Okay, because this is something personal for me. This is what I'm doing for me. If people copy my trades or not, I'm not really focused on that. I'm doing this for me. I'm trying to build this bag here, and I know I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna make more deposits, and here I can compound. I love the power of compounding, and in a lot of platforms you don't have time to compound because sometimes they rug or they put a hold on contracts or whatever. Here, I have full control, full power. And if you copy trade me, you're gonna have the same. You're gonna have the same thing as me. So going back to this 30-day ROI, it was at 100%, but look, it dropped to 20 to 73. So it dropped 27%. That means I have done 27%. Yes. Let me see how this looks because this is a 7-day. Wow. So this is awesome. So in 30 days, so by the 25th of this month, because I started trading July 25th with Bing X, um, so August 25th, these numbers should be different. If I keep trading the way I'm trading, which I'm getting a good trade history. If you click on my trade history, you can see all my previous trades when they open and when they close. Sometimes they jump from one. Look, this one I had it open for 2 days. This one for one day. Most of them are the same day. It depends what the market is giving me. But look, all my trades, 10%, 10%. Look at this one. I killed it on this one, 25%, guys. And you could just scroll down and you could just do more, scroll down, more. I had like two minor losses like a week ago. Look, you scroll down. I had this one, small loss, 2.2%. And, 0.19%. If I would have waited 5 more minutes, it would have been positive, but it's okay. I'm learning. So you go more, and you could just keep going down, 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 and you see all my trades. Okay? So make sure you look at that. And you could go, like, if you go all the way to the end, let me see, let me go all the way to the end so I can show you guys when my first trade was. Look, view more, there's no more tab, right? So my first trade was July 25th. And look, I got a first 10%. And boom, consistent, consistent. This is what I want. Consistent, consistent, consistent. Look at this. Look at this. Look at 14%. 14%. Look at this one. 25%. Okay. Most of my trades, guys, I'm focused on scalping and making 10%. But maybe daily, and it could take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, whatever. I don't care how long it takes, but I'm gonna have like a longer trade, longer or shorter trade, where I'm gonna try to get 25%, 30%, 40%. But for that, I'm only gonna have one trade open. For my scalps, I could have two, three, five, 10 open at the same time. But for the long trade, I'm just gonna have one. I'm just gonna let it, I'm gonna secure my first profits with my stop loss, and once I have my little bit, that I'm as soon as I'm in the green, I'm just gonna, just follow it slowly, slowly like a hunter, just going slowly, slowly, and go for the kill, go for the kill, just slowly, slowly. But yeah, guys, this is good to see. This is the first day I see this. This is awesome. And if you could go to like my last 7 days, boom, look at that. Heck yeah, baby, it's changing. Look, even if you leave the last 30 days, if it, you know, it's counting 103 trades at 100% ratio, so no losses. But I haven't been here for 30 days, so, and I did have two minor losses, so that's why I'm saying everything is counting from previous other copy traders. But look at this, last 7 days. Look, 20 trades, 2183. So I'm in the green, baby. I'm in the green. So just wait, 30 days. This is gonna change, and my risk ratio. Remember, it's 7. It's rated from 1 to 9. So I don't know if it changes every 30 days or what. I'm assuming it changes every 30 days, and we'll see. We'll go slowly, but we'll go from there. I'm currently a bronze. Let me click that. Is a bronze, okay, and hopefully, I don't know. I think silver is next, and I'll just go from there, guys. So yeah, this is the feed. I usually, let put messages here, just communicating with you guys. So anyways, so see, Bitcoin's at 370. Hopefully, it keeps dropping. I want it to stay under 350. So okay, guys, let me see what else. What else did I miss? I think that's it, guys. So I'm gonna be making videos of Bing X hopefully every day, because I'm gonna be trading, because I'm trading every day. So just to keep you guys posted, to see where I'm at, to see when I make deposits and when I grow my bag. And what I like the most is that I could be transparent with you guys. That's what I like the most. Even though this is something personal for me, I like that I can be transparent with BingX. Why? Because they're gonna record all my trades, guys. All my trades, the positive, the ones with gain, the ones with losses. So in DeFi, there's not a lot of people that do that. I don't know why. Well, I do kind of know why. Sometimes they say they have proprietary software that they don't want to share or whatever. I'm like, whatever. Some do. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man, you see that? I was just a lot of negative trades, red trades. Hopefully it pushes this down. Come on, baby, come down. Woo, that was crazy. That was beautiful. But anyways, guys, so here I'm gonna have all my history. You guys, I'm gonna be able to check my stats. My like my 30 day. I'm gonna be able to check my 180 days when I get to 100, which is 6 months. I'm not there. I'm not even at 30 days, but 7 days. My earnings. All this is gonna be adjusted. It's just gonna make time. But I did look at this P&L ratio. Like for every dollar I put in, I make $9.3 from that $1. So if that becomes true after 30 days, I'm gonna see what where it is. And I do have a margin median of 10 USDT, leverage of 20. All I'm doing is BTC, just Bitcoin, guys. For now, look at this. I like the green. Who's not gonna like the green? And and I'm gonna be. Well, I don't want to say that I'm gonna be consistent. That is my goal because we never know what's gonna happen, right? But that is my goal to be consistent, so we could, I like to know, like my average gains and losses, and I like to know how much money I'm making. That way, I can know how much to spend or reinvest, right? So, anyways, guys, don't forget to like my video. If you guys have any questions regarding BTC or Bing X, I'm also gonna leave a referral link. If you want to copy trade me or you just wanna try out the exchange, you could use my referral code, and they usually give you guys discounts, and they give me like a small referral fee, not that much, but it's okay. I'm doing trading. I'm doing it. It's becoming a passion for me, and I think I'm gonna be here for the long run, guys. And I'm taking it slow. I don't want to risk too much capital. Um, I want to do my proper, risk management and money management, and kind of know and feel what Bitcoin is gonna do every day, every week, every month, every year. So so yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I really hope you guys have a great weekend, guys. Enjoy your friends, enjoy your families, and enjoy life, guys. Take care.